Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books quickly and easily. First, sign into your Zoho Books account. You can use Google or your preferred login method and make sure to select the correct account. Next, once your dashboard loads, go to the Accountant tab. This is where you manage all your financial entries, including manual journals. Now click on Manual Journals from the menu, then select Create New Journal to start recording your entry. Begin by entering the date of the journal entry, followed by the journal number. If you have any reference numbers, add them as well. You can also include notes for context or internal reminders. After that, add the accounts involved in the transaction from your chart of accounts. Enter the debit amounts for each account, then add the credit amounts, making sure the totals balance correctly. If you have any supporting documents like receipts or invoices, attach them to the journal entry. Finally, click Save and Publish to complete the entry and update your financial records. And that's it. You've successfully posted a manual journal in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.